We'll have a small prayer. Yes, sit straight. Join your palms. Close your eyes. Yes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Mageshwaraha, Guru Sasha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Happy morning, children. Yes. Come on. We'll get ready for our maths class. Yes. Yes, on that day, what we saw? We saw geometry lesson, right? New topic. Do you all remember? Geometry means measurement, earth measurement. Do you all remember those words? We saw space, position, yes, size of the objects. We saw positional words. Do you all remember? Yes, yes, we'll have a short recap on that, and today we have a lot of surprise for you. Yes, come on, sit straight. We will start our class now. Yes, before going, a small recap what we saw. Okay? Yes, the spatial relationship. Inside, what are the words, keywords there? Inside, outside, near, far, above, below. We are going to see the meaning for this. On the day with the pictures you all saw, right? Yes. Inside means what? Within something. See, if you are having pencil inside your box, the box is there, the pencil is inside the box. That means what? Within something. Inside means what? Within something. Outside means if you take the pencil out of the box, right? That is called as outside, out of something. So now you know the meaning of inside and outside. Yes, Mithun, kindly mute yourself. Mithun, mute yourself from one net. Then near, far. Yes, see, close to something. Near means what? Close to something. Far means away. See, you're keeping far your mobile. You should keep your mobile far. That means what? Away. Near means you should keep your notebook and pencil near to you. That is called as near. So now you know the concept of inside, outside, near and far. Next is above, below. Above means what? Something at the higher level. See up. Fan is there, right? That is above. Above you, there is a fan. So look up. Look up. There is fan, right? That's something that is at the higher level. When it is at the higher level than you will say yes, above. See, now look down. Tiles is there, no? Floor is there, no? In your house. That is something at the lower level. So below means what? Something at the lower level. Fan is above you, right? So at the higher level, it is called as above, and below, tiles, floor, it is called as something at the lower level. So now you know the meaning of inside, outside, near, far, above and below. These are some of the words we saw on that day, right? Yes. Now we are going to go to the shapes. Do you all remember the basic 4 shapes? Yes. What are the basic shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. On the day we saw, right? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Yes, today we are going to see the flat shapes. We are going to see the flat shapes. Yes. See, what are these? Now we will see with the examples. We will see with the examples. Yes. Flat shape. Flat shape means when we trace one side of the solid shape, we get a flat shape. Okay, flat shape means what? When we trace one side of a solid shape, we get the flat shape. Yes, right? Now we are going to see spaces around us. Now let's see what is square. See, square has 4 sides. Vignesh, kindly yes, come on, mute yourself. Sridhar sir, kindly mute him. So now we are going to see what is squares. Okay. See, it has 4 sides. See, come on, count along with ma'am. It has 4 sides, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. See, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides of squares are equal. See, both the standing line and both the sleeping line are same, right? Are equal, right? So in square, all the sides will be equal. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides are equal in square. Okay, next slide we will be seeing more examples. Next is rectangle. Come on, say rectangle. Yes, see, rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. See, it also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but only the opposite sides are equal. See, only the opposite sides are equal. Oh, you're saying only the opposite sides are equal. Can you see? See, standing line length, standing line and sleeping line. See, both the sides standing line are same size and both the sides sleeping line are same size, right? The same length and breadth, right? So, in rectangle, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Only the opposite sides are equal. Only the opposite sides are equal. Whereas in square, what? All the sides are equal, right, in the square? Yes, whereas in rectangle, only the opposite sides are equal. Yes. Now shall we go for the next one? Yes. Yes. So, and next is triangle. See, green color triangle. We saw many examples on that day, right? You all said pizza. Yes. Do you all remember that? Yes. Now we will see what is triangle. See, triangle is a closed figure. This has only 3 sides. See, come on, count. 1, 2, 3. See, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. See, it has 3 sides and 3 corners, right? Yes, so now you are familiar with square, rectangle and triangle. Now we are going to circle. Yes. What is circle? Circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner and no edges. See, there is nothing. There is no corner at all, right? If we roll, what will happen? If we play with the ball will roll, right? Yes, it has no corner, right? Yes, circle is a round shape figure. Yes, now we saw the 4 flat shapes. Flat shape means what? When we trace, come on, repeat along with ma'am. When we trace one side of a solid shape, we get a flat shape, right? Yes. Now we are going to see some examples. Yes. See the things which are in square shape. On that day we saw, no, I asked you to look at your home and say, right? Now ma'am is brought in the slide. Yes, you all said chessboard on that day. See, chessboard. You are allowed to play chessboard? Yes. There will be king and the queen, right? Yes. See, black and white combination, it will be right. Yes, so that is the best example for square. Yes, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Yes. Then the best example next is carom board. You all play in your home, right? These holidays you were all playing carom board, right? Do you know to play carom board? Yes? Yes? Yes, it is a superb game, right? Yes, that is also the best example.
I don't know that game.
You don't know that game? Okay, when you come to school, I will teach you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
My brother is my grandma.
Okay, dear. Okay. Mute yourself. Very good. Mute yourself, please. Okay, mute yourself. See, some of the examples for square are chessboard, carom board, and see, handkerchief. See, that will also be in the square shape, right? Yes, these are the examples for square. Next, shall we go? Examples for rectangle. Yes, see, Chocolate, you all like, right? Dairy milk chocolate, you all like, right? With small, small pieces, square, whereas the big is rectangle, right? The small, small pieces in the chocolate is square, but the full chocolate is in rectangle shape, right? Yes. And next example is photo frame. See, come on, it's if any photo is there in your home, see, it is in what shape? It is in rectangle, right? The photo frame. Yes. So rectangle. Then door. Come on, look at your door. What shape is this? Rectangle, right? Yes. So these are the things which are around us in rectangle shapes. Okay. Yes. Now shall we go for the next one? Next is triangle. Yes. See, when you go along with your dad in the bike, there will be a traffic signals, right? In that signal, what the light will be in? Circle. See, red, yellow, green. That will be in circle shape. Whereas the board, in some places, it will be in triangle. So the traffic signal is also in triangle. What are the signals? Say. Do you all remember your UKG rhymes? Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop, stop. Right? Yes. See, red is for stop. Yellow is for get ready.
Ma'am.
Yes, Krishiv.
Ma'am.
Mute yourself, Krishiv. Green. Sahitya, mute yourself. And green is for yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, come on,
Ma'am.
say.
Ma'am, red is sharp, yellow is
Yes.
ready, green is go, ma'am.
Very good, superb. A big star for you, but you should mute yourself. Come on, class is under the recording. Kindly mute yourself.
Yellow is steady,
Stop.
green is
Get
go.
ready and go. Okay. Yes, this is the traffic signal.
Ready, go.
Yes, come on, mute yourself. That is triangle in shape. Then flag. See, in some places flag is in triangle shape, right? For playing that, what to say, if you play in the ground and all, they will be keeping this flag only, right? Yeah, that is also in triangle shape. Then bingo, not close, right? That is also the triangle shape. Then pizza, mountain, hills. That do you remember? Roof of the home. It all comes under the triangle shapes. Yes. Yes, and we'll go for the last shape. What is that? It's circle. Yes. Whenever you see circle, what all you will be remembering? Biscuits, right? 50-50 marigold all will be in circle shape, right? Yes, it is circle in shape. Then wheel. See wheel. Yes, wheel is also circle in shapes. Then coin. Coin. Mithun, kindly mute yourself. You are disturbing the class, Mithun.
Ma'am.
Kindly mute yourself. Sahatya. Sorry, Mithun, not Sahatya. Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Because all are listening, right? Mute yourself.
Ma'am,
We will ask.
1 second, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Ma'am, cycle wheel is round shape, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Cycle tire also in this right circle shape. Super. But at the last we can say dear. Okay, class is going on right. Others also listening right. Yes, thank you. Then see wheel. Do you remember Ashoka Chakra in our flag? The tricolor India flag. Orange, white and green. Inside what will be there? Ashoka Chakra, right? It will be also in circle shapes. Yes, then coin. Then clock. See, in some home clock will be in circle shapes and some home it will be in what shape? Square shape. Yes. So these are some of the examples for circle. Yes. Some messaging plate. Yes. Plate also circle in shapes. Now we are going to what? There is going to be an surprise for you. Some more examples for circle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corner. Just we will recap what we saw. Okay. Yes, circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. What are the example for circles? It's clock, wheel, button, right? Yes, button, plate, CD. Yes, see, CD is there. Then tire. Yes, in the car, in the cycle. As Sahatya said, very good. See, these all belongs to circle. Yes. Now we will have a recap for square. Yes, what all are there in the square shape? Clock, chessboard. Four sides are equal in square, and it has four corners. All the sides are equal. Yes. So we saw for circle and we saw for square. Now we'll go for rectangle. It has two long sides, right? That is sleeping line, and two short sides, that is standing line. Two standing line and two sleeping line. Both the sides are only equal. Both the sides, both the sleeping line and both the standing line are equal. And it has four corners, right? And examples for rectangle is your TV. Yes, come on, see your TV. See your television in your home. What shape is that? It is rectangle, right? Yes, and see the bag. See the olden bag, the file you used to keep the papers in that file. That is also the rectangle in shape. Yes, and now it's triangle. Triangle has three sides and three corners. Yes, see, three sides and three corners. Examples for triangle is box, see, a triangle, balls, yes, and then hanger. Do you remember the hanger? In your home, your mother will keep your daddy shirts, saris and all. She will keep inside that, and she will keep it in the cupboard, right? Yes, that is triangle in shape. Very good. I'm getting many examples for that. Yes, your laptop is also in rectangle. Your mobile, yes, very good. Super. Now shall we see what is solid shapes? Yes? Yes, see? Solid shapes are the shapes that occupy spaces. See? An object that occupies space is called solid shape. Yes. The object that occupies space is called what? Solid shape. Solid shapes are mainly, it's coming from the flat shape. It's coming from the flat shape. Yes. Now shall we see what all are the solid shapes? Yes. See, today we will see only the names. Tomorrow we will do with the activity. Okay. Yes. See, cube. Cube will be coming from what? When we trace square, we will be getting cube. Yes. See, cube. The part of the square. Yes, cube. I use cube in your home. Do you remember? That is what shape? It is cube shape. Then cuboid. It will come from the rectangle shape. Yes, and cone ice cream. What shape is that? Triangle. Sphere comes from circle. Yes, and what is one half of the circle? See, we have circle. If we cut the circle, what shape will come? Semicircle, right? Yes, see, if you cut one half of a circle is called semicircle. Yes, and see, is the shape of an egg is a circle? No, right? The shape of the egg is oval. Yes, it is oval. Then we have another shape. What is that? Cylinder. See, cylinder. You can touch and feel your syrup bottle. If fever is coming, your mother will be giving you, right? Syrup. That bottle all what shape? Cylindrical. Your water bottle all belongs to cylinder shapes. Yes, these are the solid shapes. Solid shapes are formed from flat shape and it occupies a space. See, if we keep it down, it will stand, right? It occupies some space. So, solid space are an object that occupies a space. Okay. Now, I think so you all are clear with what is flat shape and solid shapes, right? So, example for solid shapes, we can see in the next class. Now it's rhyme time. Yes, example for this all we'll be seeing in the next class. Now it's rhyme time and we have one activity also. Yuvarani ma'am is waiting for that. Shall we call Yuvarani ma'am? Yes? Yes, Yuvarani ma'am, over to you. Thank you.
Tanya ma'am, yes, my dears. Now you have surprise. What you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes and open your eyes. Then only you can see the surprise. Can we start the exercise? Open, close your eyes, open your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes, close, open, open. Super. Now, here is the activity for you. Yes. Can we start the activity? Yes. What are these? See, ma'am has kept some objects here, and we are going to do activity related to the spatial relationship. Yes, we saw the positional words, right? Yes, with that positional word, we are going to have a small activity. Yes, okay, see here, ma'am has got one bowl. Okay, I have balls, I have chair, table and bowls. Okay, I'm going to put this ball inside the bowl. Now say me, where is this ball? The ball is inside the bowl.
Wow.
Now I'm going to place it out. Now say me, where is the ball? Yes, it is outside the bowl. Now the ball is placed outside. Now again I'm going to place it inside. Now again I'm going to put it outside. Now can you understand the concept of inside and outside? Okay, now we are going to see about the comparison of big and small. Big and small. Yes, can you see this ball? Yes, it is bigger in size, right? See this one? It is small. This ball is small and this ball is bigger. Small, big. Small, big. Can you identify? Yes, now say me what is the size of this? Yes, it is small, right? Okay, now say me what is the size of this one? Yes, it is big. This ball is bigger one. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next positional word. That is on and under. On, under. See, I am going to place this pink color bowl on the table. Where I am going to place it? I am going to place it on the table. Okay, now can you find a white color bowl? Yes, it is under the table. Can you find? Yes, here I am going to pull it out and I am going to place it under the table. Yes, see, I have placed it under the table. Yes, on the table, under the table, on the table, under the table. Yes, now you know what is on and what is under, right? Okay, now we are going to see the next positional word, that is far and near. See, I am going to place these bowls near to the table. Okay, these bowls are near to the table. But where is the chair? It is far away. Can you see the distance here? It is far. Chair is far away from the table. Far away from the table, as well as it is far away from the bowl. It is far away from the bowl. But where is the bowl? Where are the bowls placed? The bowls are placed near to the table. Near, here. It is so closer, right? Yes, it is near to the table, and this one chair is far away from the bowls, as well as it is far away from the table. Okay, now I am going to stop the video and you are going to do the activity. Yes. Now, are you all ready to do the activity? Yes. Look up, look down Look up. Look down. Okay, when you look up, what you can see? Yes, you people found the fan, right? Yes. So the fan is above your head. And above your head. Okay.
Above your head.
Look down. When you look down, what you can see?
Tiles.
Floor. As well as, yes, tiles, floor, and your feet, right? Your feet is
Yes.
also face down, na? Yes. So, my dear Kanna, kindly mute your audio, Pattu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna, thank you. Yes. So, when you look up, you are finding the fan, and when you look down, you are finding the tiles, floor, as well as your feet, right? Yes. So, this is the activity for above and below. When you look up, it is above. When you look down, it is below. Now, ma'am will say look up and look down. You have to do that. Okay? By saying the positional word. Look up, above. Okay. Look down, below. Superb. Now again, look up, above. Look down, below. Superb. So you people did the activity. Wow, wonderful. Now is the time for rhyme. Are you all ready to sing the rhyme along with me? Yes, but by muting your audio and video, you have to sing the rhyme along with me. Okay, Kanna? Yes, are you all ready? Will you start my video? Yes, see, these are the shapes. These are the shapes. We are going to sing, right? Only with these shapes. Are you all ready? Yes. Here, what is it? The circle. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. You can see me everywhere. Like a moon in the night, like a chapati that you eat. Oh, chapati that you eat, how it will be? It will be in a round shape, right?
Yes.
Be yummy, na? Yum, yum, yum.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to move on to the square shape. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. Like a tiles on the floor, like a pizza box. Pizza box, I say. La 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 la. So, you know the tile you're on the floor is also in the square shape. Yes, now? Yes. Shravan and Mithun, kindly mute your audio and video, Kanna. Parents are saying that they could not see me. Okay? Thank you, Patu. Okay, yes, now we will move on to the rectangle shape. I'm a rectangle. You can see me everywhere. You can find me on your window and on your door. Tra-la-la-la-la. Yes, so you can find the rectangle shape on your window as well as on your door. Yes, now? Yes. So, this is the example for rectangle. Now we are going to sit for triangle. Can we sing the song? I'm a triangle. You can see me everywhere. Like a sailboat you draw and a pizza slice you eat. Yes, you will be drawing the sailboat in the rectangle shape, right? Yes, likewise the pizza slice you eat. Mithun Kanna, kindly mute your audio and video, Kanna. Parents are saying that they could not hear my voice and they could not see me. Kindly mute your audio and video, Pattu. Mithun B of 1F. Kindly make it fast. Your video is logged. Mithun, your video is logged as well as your mic is on. Thank you so much. Yes, my dear parents, now you can pin me. That is on the name of Yuvarani. You can pin it. Yes. Okay, again I will sing the rhymes for you people. Okay? Yes. Sing along with me. I'm a circle. You can see me everywhere. Like a moon in the sky. Like a chapati you eat. Yum, yum, yum. I'm a square, I'm a square, you can see me everywhere, like a tiles on the floor, like your pizza box, I say. Tra la 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 la. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, you can see me everywhere. You can find me on your window and door, and your door, la la la, cha la 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 la. Yes. Now, I'm a triangle, triangle, you can see me everywhere, like a sailboat as you drop, and a pizza slice you eat. Yum, 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 yum. We are shapes, we are shapes. You can see us all around in the sky, in the ocean, way up or on the ground. We are shapes. Yes, now you enjoy the rhymes with the shapes, right? Thank you. Bye bye. Now it's the performance time. Over to Suganya, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Rani ma'am. Yes, children, you would all enjoyed the rhymes, right? Yes, it was nice, right? Yes, you also learned those rhymes, okay? Yes, for shapes, right? Yes, and you saw the activity inside, outside, big, small, up, down, yes, below, above. Did you all understand? Yes, shall we go for the performance now? Yes, and now it's the performance time. Yes, Abhinav Sai, did you finish your speech? Abhinav Sai, Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
already you have finished your speech already?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Abhinav. Mokshita, did you finish your storytelling, Mokshita?
Sorry. I didn't finish it yet. I'm going to say
Okay,
now.
okay, come on, say Mokshita.
Hello, everybody.
Tell that I'm Abhinav Sai.
What storytelling, ma'am?
I am Abhinav Sai.
Ma'am?
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, Mokshita's mother. What storytelling?
Mokshita, yes.
Which was done in
You would
competition
have
or?
yeah, in the competition, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes.
Ma.
Yes, come on, Abhinav.
I am Mokshita. Ma.
Mokshita, wait. Abhinav will say, wait.
Story about Amma. Amma. A very good morning to everybody. My name is Abhinav Sai, and I'm here to share my ideas about how we can celebrate the upcoming festivals by being safe at home. We can call or video chat with our friends and family, and we can also buy groceries, sweets, and new clothes. To avoid going out, not vegetables, not bunny crackers. There are few things that we can do. Festival means happiness, happiness, sharing, and togetherness. But with this corona pandemic in this world, in India and all over the world, we had to stay home and show that we care for our family and society. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinav. So superb. Yes, we will celebrate our celebrations in pandemic situations in home itself. Okay. Yes, stay home and stay safe. Thank you, Abhinav. Yes, thank you. And next, Mokshita.
Hi, I am yes Mokshita.
Yes, come on, start.
Tell a story about laughter. Aha, is the best medicine. Once was a king who will never laugh. White little boy named Arjuna plans to make the king laugh. He plans play comedy drama. He acted like a joker. He jumped and falling down and make everyone to laugh. And King called Arjuna, thanked him with gifts and blessings. Moral of the story: a good hearty laugh will make feel good. Thank you.
Thank you, Mokshita. It was superb. Thank you. Well done. Yes. Next is Jai Krishna of 1F, 1E. Jai Krishna. Jai Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you say? Can you do today? One act.
Mr. Krishna. I am 6 years old. There is new virus, coronavirus. Everybody is scared. Don't be scared. I'll tell you some tips. When you going to out, wear mask on your face. When you close anything right, just or that ropes. That time, when you come back home, check settle, wash your hand 20 seconds. To take bath and wash your face. Parents, don't go on the street outside. They won't face it.
Thank you. Thank you, Jai Krishna. It was a nice performance. Yes. Next, shall we call Meenakshi from 1F for tongue twister? Meenakshi. Meenakshi, are you there? Okay. Lingesh 1E. Lingesh. KR Lingesh. Lingesh.
Hey, good day. My name is Meenakshi. I am studying first standard. Tongue twister. Without shoes, who shoes does he choose? I thought of thinking of something. Boy, blue, big blue bubble. Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Yes, children, it was a wonderful performance. Thank you. Yes, we'll continue in the next class. Okay, and now it's time
Thank
to say
you,
bye.
ma'am.
Thank you. Before that, you all understood what is geometry, what is positional words. Yes, flat shape and solid shape. Go through your books, okay? Refer your books and finish all your classwork notes of lesson 1, 2 and 3. Yes, now you can unmute yourself and say bye to your friends. Yes.